Hi friends, today we are making pineapple milkshake. Now I will say the ingredients. 1 cup of pineapples, this is optional. 7 or 8 cashew nuts and 2 walnuts. We have take ripe bananas and ripe papaya and dry fruits, soaked almonds, and this is kismis and that is dates. These are the ingredients to make smoothie. And this is tender coconut water. This is also optional. Cocoa powder. If you want cocoa powder you can add because the taste will come sweet and children will like it. I know who can take this drink. It is so healthy. Who does workout, they should take these milkshakes. We are not using milk because that is not good for milkshakes. And we are using peeled almonds. Then the almond milk will come. Instead of water, we are using coconut water. I like this smoothie very much because this is sweet and I like pineapple. I like because this is cocoa powder. Now I am adding these all ingredients into the mixer jar.
Pineapple is high in vitamin C and boosts your immune system. Bananas, being rich in potassium, lowers the blood pressure and decreases the risk of heart problems. It also enhances the function of white blood cells. Papaya has highest vitamin A, which helps in improving your vision.
And now I am adding cocoa powder. We need half spoon of cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder is rich in polyphenols, which will improve brain function.
And we are adding these dry fruits.
Dates are highly nutritious, aids healthy bowel movements, strengthens the nervous system and reduces the risk of cancers.
This is coconut water.
Coconut water has surprising health benefits. You can find the link in the description box below.
Now let us add this dry fruit.
Walnuts are rich in antioxidants than any other nut and has abundant omega-3 fatty acids. Cashew nuts help in your digestion, bone and muscle health.
Now we should blend this, and this is easy to make in home because these ingredients will be in your home also, and cocoa powder will be also. I think so pineapple will not be. We should buy pineapple. We are blending this. When you make or cook something, you should wear apron because it will spill to your shirt.
Almonds are rich in vitamin E. They help in lowering your bad cholesterol and improve your good cholesterol and lowers the risk of heart attacks.
Now we have fixed this.
Raisins are full of natural sugars rich in iron, potassium and calcium. It's of great help in anemia.
Now I am gonna blend this. Is it leaking?
Okay.
I think it is ready. Let us see. And I will tell you something. I blended mixie first time.
These kids are smarter than us. They are cooking at this younger age.
You also can try with help of your parents.
The perfect combination of carbohydrates, lots of proteins and electrolytes makes it a wonderful post-workout smoothie. Wow, it's really nice and thick.
This is like peanut butter. It smells like peanut butter.
This will be a great alternative for the breakfast. You can enjoy this as a breakfast smoothie.
See, it is done.
Wow, yummy. As she has mentioned, we have not used any dairy milk here because dairy milk doesn't go with all kinds of fruits. And also milk should never be mixed with any kinds of fruits.
Nice.
Trust me, it is very tasty.
Here is some more also in mixie.
It's really tasty.
Bye friends, we will come in next smoothie. Did you see my previous detox juice and lemon juice? And don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye.